In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booklet in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your booklet, customize every page, and export it for sharing or printing with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com, then sign in. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the search bar at the top. Type the word booklet and press enter. You'll see a range of ready-made booklet templates designed for different purposes, from catalogs to event programs. Hover over any design to preview multiple pages, and pick one that suits your content and style. If you prefer full control, you can also start with a blank document and build it from scratch. With your design open, start customizing your pages. Click on any text box to edit the text, then type or paste your content. Keep your headings clear and your body text legible, and aim for consistent spacing. To replace images, click on an existing photo, then use the Uploads tab to bring in your own images, or browse the Photos library for high-quality options. Drag your chosen image onto the page until it snaps into place. Need more room? Use the Add Page button to insert a new page. If you don't need a page, click the Delete icon to remove it. Remember that booklets often look best with an even number of pages. Next, refine your design elements. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts so everything feels cohesive and fits your brand or theme. You can select the entire page or individual elements and use the top toolbar to change font styles, sizes, and color palettes. From the left-hand Elements panel, drag in icons, shapes, lines, or simple charts to highlight key points or add visual interest. Keep your design balanced by aligning elements and leaving enough white space for readability. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your booklet. Flip through each page, check spelling and grammar, ensure headings are consistent, and verify that images are sharp and properly aligned. Zoom out to see how pages look side by side and make small adjustments to margins or spacing if anything feels crowded. When you're ready to share or print, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select the file type that fits your needs. For digital sharing, a PDF standard works well. For high-quality printing, choose PDF Print for crisper results. Once your settings look good, click Download, and your booklet will be saved to your computer, ready to distribute or send to a printer.